In this video, I wanted to show you how to install the command line tool for Nova, Panic's new text editor. First, you want to go to Nova in the top left-hand corner, hit Preferences. Then you want to go to the Tools tab all the way to the right, and under the command line tool heading, you want to push this button that says Install. And it'll ask you to type in your credentials, so I'll type in mine and hit enter or install helper. And when you see this location here, it indicates that the new command line tool is now installed. Also, you'll notice that the button in the top right hand corner is also changed from install to uninstall. So, which I think is a really nice touch because, just as easy it is to install, you can also click here and uninstall. So if I now go to terminal and type in Nova, it looks like it installed correctly, and I can type in a folder that I would like to work with in the Nova editor. Sweet. If you found this tip helpful, be sure to subscribe. Let's also connect on Twitter at Michael Sue Lee. Have a great day.